Nasimang sakantikon Meghalaya khoborangko sokatania bao tharak pate dalruingba Northeast Media hapuna remchak sothaya. Anga Mauritania emsangma nasimang na dalni khoborangko sulsul parakatinga. Meghalaya ni Governor Pha Satyapal Malik adoko Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill ko tharake rakachingani ko nangnakingon inner line permit te jamano jakhu ga baigen anga skotong minister ongode ukhons khangpa dakchingincham ane mijalo khobor segeparangna Rajpawano aganaha. Hajalgani Kholgruk Bill CO adok Assembly Thokmanio Rachaki Ragat Gaman Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Amendment Bill Mamung Khanam Gijani Dongjacham adok Sokhari Uko Tharake Niyamona Rabana Mamungni Home Ministry ko Molmolna Nangacham Mamungoni Angko Ge Etode Angadarang Koba Ni Chakijan Soi Kaigencham Ndiba Daode Angni Gadangode Anga Mamungkon Dakna Amja Aneba Akanaha. Riyangpa sumoyo Mamungni Home Minister Pha Amit Shah ko gronge golpo ramba anio maiko aganaha anes ngun Pha Shah namen gisik singpa unga MRSSAB ni bidungode wa skotong minister baksa golpo rumgen ane aganata ko skotong minister na agane name motmole chinaba didia hacham ane Pha Malik agan chakska ha.
Union Home Minister is a very intelligent person. So he told me that he would prefer to talk about it to the Chief Minister. And I told it to the Chief Minister, you go and plead. Now also my opinion is, you first plead about the bill. ILP will come later. And it is, I can easily, if I am at his place, along with my cabinet, I'll go and plead with them that, look, this is harmless. So many things which are there in that bill already have been taken care in this tourism app and that labor bill. So very little is outside that scope, and it is harmless bill to my opinion.
Antangni khura chaka thangko chu sokatna skotong minister Pha Khonret ke sangma skotong songjanma deliona belange home minister Pha Amit Shah ko grongna mamongni home ministryo cholko onchina aganigen dakchakapa skotong minister Pha Preston Tinsang ba apsan khamna mijalo deliona rianga ha Delhi riangna skhang Pha Khonret Governor Pha Satyapal Malik ko bristibar salu grongi adoko nangni rangko golpo ramba ani bidungo agan grkang chinga ha Skotong Minister Antangni Delhi Songjan Maona Riangani Bidungo Aganingon, Robibar Salu Riangi, Mamongni Delgaparang Baksa ILP Arogapan Chanchiani Rangkoba Chanchirumangen, Wan Daken Adoko Namda Patanina, PWD Agriculture Arogapan Ministry Rangi Minister Rangkoba Grongangen Ane Akanaha. South Garo Hills ajani nungo donggapa Siju Songgatal LP School nokhoru uta besirangna galchpe doningani gemen Garo Students Union Siju Regional Unit Bristibar Salo South Garo Hills Subdivisional Education Officer na lekha sedoaha Siju Songgatal LP School ko recha chisku sotokani belsiyo khuli chengonin songni banga mandirang agasakni singani ko sera chakataha endi bada oya school nokni obosta namen namsrang jahani gemen class rangko khana manjaingaha ane GSU khoborna uyataha Endita besina ya school noko tharigija galchpe donani asel begruna mengaha ane thalatengon obostako ninapcha GSU Siju Regional Unit Jolni STEO na lekha sedona dratako matnaha ane GSU Siju Regional Unit ni phadot theral seng mara khobona siachi janapataha Uko je cholchiba gongrakhale nirokatpha china jolthangni MLA aro adok sokhari koba dengthang mancha GSU Siju Unit motmolataha Meghalaya Board of School Education rebaingpa March chigani tharikoni Kholgruk Pri ona khengkheng class kuni internal examination hajalgani Kholgruk sa porikha ko ongatna manchie dongemen ko uyataha Dao ongatna siengpa internal exam porikha rangko sena sigpa sak hajal sotok chatro chatrirang donga ane embos official hub news na uyataha Secondary School Living Certificate porikha ko seatani bidungos ngun adok sokhari porikha ongatgni ko rachakahon chinga tharik rangko uyatken ane agan chakska ha Adita salrangna skhang Higher Secondary School Living Certificate ni Arts, Science aro Commerce ko poraigapa chatro chatri rangna class chigani ni practical exam ba project work ko March kholgur kathamoni April 7 tharikona dongemen khoba uyatanga ha Sajanmana simsakna nang meteng sumoyo porikharangko ongatna nanga o gakingani gemen sokhari dongemen plak niyamrangko jarkatken eniba embosni official uyatanga ha Adokni lower primary school rango skigapa rangi biaprang bangbang onge donggenoba uko Kolkapatna Sokhari Sumoyko rae dongai nga ane opposition dalgapa Dr. Mukul M. Sangmani matnanganina Education Minister Phalakmen Rumbui Sokhari mamung saluba uko ruutatsa ane agan chakska aha. Adok kemuko sak hajalsa LP Schoolni skigiparangko kamona remnapna banggija somoyrangko san nangayaha East Khasi Hills aro Dadengre subdivision ko Changale de Gembek district rangonan skigiparangko donatna tiktak ongaha aro yan pako skigiparangko seoke kamo donatanian Education Department ni abao bangbate skigiparangna kam onani onggen eneba akanaha.
Government never ever delayed the appointment of any vacant post in the LP school teachers as stated by our LO. In fact, this government, we have the process of appointing of the teachers in about 1,000 posts is going on. Almost all the districts have been completed except the East Khasi Hills, which going on, and also the Dadengri subdivision.
Forest and Environment Office hepango gapa Bri Mile Adamoniko namen suanging gapa mangisiko police tol Srenggaman chi pipe kamauniko matnaha. Shillong City SP Pa Vivek Siem Uni bidungo talatengon wan me asani mangisi onga enesan uiajok chinrangko ninaba namen sodronganga hani bidungo mamungkon uijaha kombeoba wa mande salbri salbonga rangna wa adamo sie donga hakon ene akanaha. Patanggaman sumoyo niamni apalo koila choe aselonga niyo saktok sianggapani bidungo amsandiani ko dakna CBI bagapen apalo ni amsandi geparangna batte adok thangoni kon khadong chake jakhalna nanga ne Home Minister Phalakmen Rumbui aganaha. BJP dolni niam gri koila choa niyo jak donggeparangko remna nanga ane dabiana agan chakingon adok thango amsandiani kamko khagaparangan nambat kepa onggen ane parakacholaha. Patanggaman January Kogriksa Tariko East Jantia Hills District ni Rimbai Jolo Fit Rechasa Sochet Onggepa Koila Akolo ka akonange saktok mandirang sia chisa niamgri koila bukotinga ane gemeknan parak ongaha.
It is useless for the government, for any person to be a person who have been in administration not to trust his own state machineries. The state machineries we have given they are doing their best and they will do their best. So we have, first of all, we have to trust our own machineries. Otherwise, what is the use of having the state machineries?
Adoko Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicle wamangi dabiani rangko sokharini BN plate onjaingani na gari gora reani ko dontungataha. Adok sokharini kena chakijani aselo ramram mandirang aro mongsong bate sungadamni mandirang sa niknekani ko chagrong batna nanging jokchem. Tao salwa aru gui palkari somoy garirang dongja ode gamme ge chagaparangna namme nuksan ongingachem. Yarangi bidungo Sokhari Committee baksa agan golpo grikri niknekani rangko bonatna nanga ane Mausinram ni local MLA pa HM Shangpiliang kobor atam geparangna aganaha.
I urge upon the government that the government should immediately take immediate measures to bring remedial steps in solving this problem. Either the government should bring down the cost of the petrol, which they have charged about 31 rupees per litre as a tax, or the government should increase taxi fare.
Bakmara CNRD blok ni nungo donggepa songchi getamni manderang MJNREA oniko antangtangni hajira manggeniko jakhale rompa dolongko khachina hajalgni chichet bilsion namneke bilko onna hoba sajenmani asel kham khageparang dongjain bari anggepa bilsio de plak kham khanirang kon dontongna gakaha jeni aselan uko rekchakatna thari samswanirangko mekhawachi somoyo nosto ongataha. Endakgepa obosta onga hanichi chinal sao donggepa songchi getamni sewako manggepa dolgeparang Bakmara CNRD blok ni Block Development Officer ko gronge uko rekchakatpel taichina molmole hachem endi bada alonan wa mameng jakukon gakuja. Endake chengko maikate galchepanina chenga khaa bea ene mendekre songni songsalna khamkhagepa Phagrenat M Sangmajenmani phalo koborangona seachi uyataha.
Gumongan baksa wisini sekretari tusinan ko komit nga changni chang convince kani jamano ya ta gpa dolong kon dita kroni ba krol brirang dolong ko chinga bimang wat na ta manachim di ba dalona khengkheng department ya ko estimate kana ta ba estimate to thari thaina gata dile ongani gamano irani mandirang wishini mandirang namen su konggeja niko chingna namen pressure ka inga uni gaman chinga tharaki ya dolong ko department ni gata responsibility ra ai arkiu nani ko chinga nang naking uni gaman
Agasa gemuk China gepro rogepa aro namja begepa sajenmani asel India asong gemuk ko changatani somoyo PNI geta belgri achi gepa manderang gamagi ani abarango plak hamrangon jakshrapani gemen ski rana geta cholrangko mantok skaha aro yani gisepon yamangna agri ba gepenrang ba apsan dengtang niknekani kon mantok ingani gemen wamangku wiatna cholba ungjolaha Yani Bidungo Hub News, Dengtang Mancha Bethany Society ni Executive Director Karmo Noronha Baksa Adita Agan Golpo Grekani ko dakon, PNI geta belri geparang, ya somoyrongo mandirang ni dakchakani ko matninga, endi ba asongko cepchangani somoyode nangchong motosan uamangna dakchakna cholko matnaya ha ene aganaha. 사전만이 아셀로 아송 gemuk 당그득 접창았다니 소모이롱어 만데니 닉늑 받급바랑오니 멍사라 옥크리아 차아시아니 아로 멍급은나라 당카 파이사나 스코사니안 옹텔겐 은네 늑다 맞나 야랑 옹잉온 차아니 메수 삼작랑코 게차갔다니 아로 도오 왁랑코 절차갔다니 메그무 차다니 아로 비자 질라니 금은 플락 딱급바 스키르 아니랑코 와망나 온나하 은네바 와 아간다파하
So we thought that one of the best ways, since 70 to 80% of the population of Meghalaya are farmers. They are engaged in farming. They know how to grow vegetables, this, etc. But so we use this opportunity to train our trainees and everybody over here to start growing food, vegetables, and to start, doing poultry, to start doing piggery, to start doing mushrooms, to look at beekeeping. And whoever could come, they did that. And then once after a while, when the lockdown opened up, we had field workers going to the villages to start, continuing this work.
Songko cepchangatani somoyo niknekani ko matna oni plak hamrangko aba chingpil thaina cholko rae gepen changgepa sapgepa rangoni ko ski rae meng mobile tablet aro computer rangko jakhale meng ski gepa rangko chenga chugemek thari pilthaya ha ane wa agananiyo yana bisarangni maggepa phageparangni jak onani ko ba nangska ha endi ba wamangoni bangbatan da auroroni chasongko jarke dakphana jakshrap geparang ongthokjani gemen niknekani dongkhuaya ha aro wamangoni bangbatan kangal cholgri rangsa aro songrango network rangba namme manjani aselo chingna namen rabiani ongaha ene wa thalda battaha.
And in the villages, there is no connectivity. So that was a major challenge. So we must be honest to say that almost 70 to 80% of our children who are in the villages, we couldn't contact them. Even phone calls don't work, and then even if phones work, they don't have money for recharge, etc. and all that. So that was lost. But those that were, say, closer to Shillong or in where there is little bit of connectivity, we were able to get in touch with them and take the first steps on moving from purely face-to-face to a blended or an online type of learning. So maybe 20 to 30% of the students we could reach. But how much learning has taken place, we don't.
Tiprako susong chinggapa Pradyat Kishore bainggapa ADC electiono susagen ene parakataha. Uni susaingani muksonganian Greater Tipralenko dabianio gachakinga. Adita Bilsirangnas Kang Congress Doloni Onkatani Japmano Pradyat Tipraba the Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance Dolko Songaha. Uni songgumen Doloni antangko electiono susana parakatinga. Greater Tipralena muksong suwekam kainganian TTADC ni nengo napai gepa mangmangsan ongjawa endi bawa jolni chonchon gepa jatrang gemukon mangopken. Tripara dol darang baksaba mukneng niriani dongja ene Pradyat agandapaha.
Our demand is not against any specific community, but for the welfare of the Autonomous District Council and beyond that. Our demand for Greater Tipraland is not victimizing any community. We don't want to victimize any community. We don't want to target any community. We want to come up with a solution for Tripuris who are even outside the ADC area. So some sort of rehabilitation, not only in the state of Tripura but across the region, should be done.
Yarang sandal ni koborang ni suaninan nasimang sakantikon metela. Nasimang getal-getal koborang ko neksona arokna sona skode www.hubnetwork.in website ona riange kulie ni namatgen aro nasimang daode Google Play Store aro Apple App Store ni ko Hub News app ko download kae getal bat keba koborang ko kenang na aro ni namatgenok. Uni gemen nasimang getal koborang ko mansona skode ya app rang ko download kae jakal tok pabo. Sakantikon metela.